body. For the wings, we use this green color. We need to press one of the end and keep looping on this. 3, 4. As the thickness of the yarn may be different, you may use a thinner or thicker one, then the number of loops will be a bit different. For this kind of loop, about 2 mm diameters, I will do 180 in each size. And for this one, the green one, I will do 170. And the blue one, I will do 10. We should make it as even as possible. 5, 6, 7. You may move it a little bit to make it more even. Here we have 169 loops, and for the last loop, before I change color, I'll put my index finger under it, and then you can cut the yarn. Then it will not loosen, and then we can change color. We'll put the blue near the end of one side. This one do only 10 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we can cut it. Later we can press it inside, and after finish the whole thing, we can cut it with the scissors. And now we do the booty side. For the body, we need the milky white. This is the diagram for my red velvet cake. I need to make the white side because I want it snake with the yellow color, so I'll add it inside the white loops. Firstly, I will do one layer of milky white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After around 70 loops, we can add the yellow. Please bear in mind, you should check the color because this is the end of our wing with the blue color, so the neck should be on this side instead of this side. We add about 20 loops of yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can adjust it if you think the leg is too big, to make it a bit smaller. After this yellow, we can cover it with the white one again. And we have 90 already, so we do 90 more, will be okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After finishing both sides, we need to take short string. Let's make it stronger. Usually I will make double. The longer will help it make easier, so I'll make it about the size, the length about 2 feet. And then we can use the pointy one, this pointy scissor, to cut it. You can cut from this side, but please bear in mind to close it, or else it will be a mess. We cut it little by little. To this side. Okay, now the pom-pom shape is almost here. Because because I want to tie the body, attach the body with the head from here. So I'll start to do the knot from here. We need to tie it as tight as possible. And then we turn to the other side. Also make it as tight and as possible. And we do the double knot. After that, you can open it. Now the body is ready. It's time for us to make the head.